Thanks for joining me today. It's a beautiful day out. In my last video, I mentioned that we were going to spend some time talking about those things that you need to do in your business to create a radically engaged team. And I want to start with the most important thing that you have to do. Because if you want to have a radically engaged team in your business, it all starts with your hiring process. Everything starts there. You know, I see way too many business owners who will just hire anybody just to fill a position. And frankly, that's a mistake. People want to earn the right to be on your team. And you need to, as a business owner, have a process so that it's difficult for people to get on your team. See, I think these two things go hand in hand. I think people want to be challenged because if you compete and you win, then you're all in. Then you want to do your best work. You want to prove that the owner, the decision maker, made the right choice. So from an applicant's perspective, they want to know that they've earned the right to be on the team. And so your job as a business owner is to make that process challenging, comprehensive, and frankly, difficult. I think the best hiring processes are those that have multiple steps so that you don't just simply get on the team because you filled out an application or you stopped in or saw a sign on the wall that said we're hiring. No, that's not it. That doesn't do it. What you really want is you want to have multiple steps in the process. So ask yourself this: do you have multiple screening steps before you hire somebody? Do you involve your team, your other team members, your current team members, in the process of deciding who you're going to hire next, who's going to work beside them in the business? Do you use assessments in your business? Are people jumping on your team just because they impressed you in an interview, or are you actually using a tool of some kind that can help you know and understand what their strengths are and what opportunities you're going to have to work on once they become part of your team? Do you have some way to be able to assess their ability to do the job before you actually extend an offer? You see, all of these are critical elements of having a robust hiring process. And very honestly, if you want to have a committed team, if you want to have a radically engaged team, then you've got to have a hiring process that is stout, robust, and challenging for anyone who wants to join your team. Do that, and you're taking the first step of many to build a radically engaged team. Now, if you're watching this video anywhere other than on my private Facebook group, it's called Join the Peloton. One word, Join the Peloton. You can find it there. It's for business owners only. There's over 100 business owners who've jumped in, and we're having conversations like this all the time about ways that we can make our businesses better and we can make our teams more radically engaged. Come on, join us. Would love to have you in the group, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Ride hard. See you soon.